Hi friends, welcome to today's video. My name is Josh, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Merry Christmas by Ed Sheeran and Elton John here on the piano. Now if you're just a beginner, don't worry, we're going to be going step by step through every chord of this song right after the song preview here, so stick around for that. Alright, let's learn this song. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed that. That was really fun to play. If that looked a little fast for you, don't worry, we're going to be going really slowly in this tutorial, so whatever your skill level is, you should be able to get something from this video. Alright, before we get started, remember to like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have a song you'd like to suggest for me. Alright, here we go. So in this song, there's going to be two main sections, which are going to be the verse and the chorus, and then we're also going to have the intro. So let's actually start with that intro really quick. That's not going to be too bad. There's going to be a lot of chords, but if you just want to skip the intro for now, that's fine. But let me just go through those chords right now with you. So we're going to start here with a C major chord. So we're going to play C, G, C, G, C, and E. All right. And then for our next chord, we're going to be going to this E chord over G sharp. So we'll have G sharp and E here in the left hand, and then G sharp, B, and E in the right hand. All right, now we're going to start this walk down thing, and we're going to start here on an A minor chord. So A's in the left hand, A and C in the right hand. Then we're going to drop all those A's to G's. So this is like a C over G chord. So A minor, C over G. And now we're going to go here to this chord. This is going to be an F major chord. So F's in the left hand, and then C, F, and A in the right hand. Okay. Now we're going to drop those F's all to E's, so this is like an A minor chord over E. And now we're going to play this. This is going to be a D minor 7 chord, so D's in the left hand, C and F in the right hand. And then we're going to go up to A, so like this. Alright, and now we're going to go here. So this is going to be a G7 chord. G's in the left hand, B, F, A flat, A flat and B. All right, and then we're gonna go up to the D. And then lastly, we'll end on just a C major chord right there. So C in the left hand, G, C, and E. Those are maybe the toughest chords of the whole song because you're kind of moving around a lot. So if that's tough, maybe just skip that, but one more time, let's go over those chords. Here we go. So, C major, E over G sharp, A minor. Oh, let's play it down here actually. C over G, F major, A minor over E, D minor 7, and then G7 flat 9. Back to C major. All right, that's going to be the intro. All right, so now let's get into the main section, that main little vamp that we have going on throughout the song. And that's gonna sound something like this. And that's pretty much the main chord progression. So it's not too bad. Let's get started here by going really slowly through those chords here. So we're gonna be starting with a C major chord here. So C's in the left hand and then G, C, and E here in the right hand. And if you can't reach these full octaves, just play a single note, that's fine, all right? So C major chord. Now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be going down to a G over B chord. So we're gonna have B's in the left hand and then G, B, D in the right hand. And this is kind of just gonna be a transitional chord, and that's gonna take us to this next chord here, which is gonna be our A minor chord. So A's in the left hand and then A and C in the right hand. Okay, now we're gonna keep walking down, and our next chord is gonna be another G chord. All right, let's play it like this actually. So G's in the left hand and then G and B in the right hand. Okay, so we're gonna transition down now to an F, okay? So F's in the left hand and then F and A. So you see from the A minor chord, we're just walking straight down, right? A minor, G, and F, okay? And then we're gonna drop down in the right hand to E and G. So this is like a C major chord, but I'm keeping the F in the left hand because I don't wanna jump all the way down to a C. So I'm just gonna keep those Fs here in the left hand for now. So this is like a C major over F chord, all right? And then we're gonna go back up to G's in the left hand and then G and B in the right hand. That's our G major chord again. All right, so you see how it is, the kind of the way the progression goes is we're playing one chord and then we'll play a transitional chord to another chord, transition, chord, chord. All right, you see how that kind of goes there? All right, so let's go over those chords one more time. C major, G major over B, A minor, G, F, C over F, and G. All right? All right, if you're having a little trouble with that rhythm there, that can be a tricky one, but you can count it out and it sounds something like this. I'll count it slowly here. We're counting 4 beats in every measure here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, you got it. All right, let me try singing just a little bit of that for you now. Here we go. So kiss me under the mistletoe, pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for December snow. I know there's been pain this year, but it's time to let it go. Next year you never know, but for now, Merry Christmas, we'll. And that's kind of how that part goes. All right, the last thing that I need to show you here is that if you want to play that rhythm that I kind of played in the song preview here, that sounds something like this. Just kind of the rhythm that you're going to be playing there. It's pretty straightforward. It's just going to be 8th notes here in the right hand, so. So that can be a little tricky, but take some time, practice it slowly, slow down the video if you need to, if that helps, and you can kind of play along like that. But you see, it's all the same rhythm that we used before. Instead of just holding out the notes now, we're playing 8th notes, all right? And so on like that. All right, so that's gonna be the verse part, and that's also gonna be the same chord progression that we hear at the end of the song, which is gonna be the bridge section. All right, so now let's take a look at the chorus. So the chorus is not too bad. It's gonna be a lot of the same chords, but kind of just rearranged a little. So we're gonna be starting here on an F chord. So F's in the left hand, F, A, C in the right, okay? And then we're going to be going up to a G. Every note just moves up one white key, you see? All right, so G's in the left hand, G, B, and D in the right hand. Okay, and then we're going to start this walk down thing, and we're going to go up to the C major chord first. So C's in the left hand, G, C, E. And then we're just going to go down in the left hand on these white keys, okay? So next we'll go to a G over B chord, B's, and then G, B, D. Then go to A minor, A's in the left hand, A, C. Then go down to G, kind of like we did in the verse. Then we'll go back to F here, just like before. All right, so this is kind of the second line now. So F, just like before, G. But now, instead of going to that C chord like we did before, this one here, instead of doing that, after this G chord, we're going to go up to this chord here, which is going to be like an E chord over G sharp again, that same one that we used in the intro actually. So E, or you could add this D if you want, play like an E7, okay? And next up, we're going to go walking down, again starting on this A minor. So A minor, G, and F. And then we just go to G, and then that's how we end it, and then we go back into that main chord progression we used for the verse. That one there. All right, let's go over those chords one more time. So in the first line, we're gonna go F, G, and then we're gonna go C, G over B, A minor, G, F. Second line now, G. Now it's going to change a little. E7 over G sharp, A minor, G, and F. Now we go to G, and then back to C for the next section. All right, singing a little bit of that part for you. Here we go. The fire's raging on, and we'll still sing along to this song. Just having so much fun. While we're here, can we all spare a thought for the ones who have gone? Merry Christmas, everyone. All right, that's pretty much it. The very last thing that I need to teach you, if anyone is interested in this, at the very end of the song, we kind of hear this unique chord progression, and all that is going to be these three chords here. So it's going to be an A flat chord, so A flats, E flat, A flat, C. Then a B flat chord, B flat, F, B flat, and D. All right, and then back to our C major chord. So C's in the left hand, G, C, E. All right, and that is how we end the song. Kind of a unique chord progression there that kind of goes outside of our key of C major. All right, that's everything I have to teach you for this song. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know down in the comments. I'd be happy to try to answer some of those for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.